Hey everyone, it's Tanya. That's your name, right?
Yeah, that's
Tanya and Kathy again, and we're doing this part 2 of our sleep day, and we want to talk to you about diffusing and also some supplements that you can use. So you were just telling me, what's your favorite diffuser blend?
Serenity and balance. And breathe.
Serenity and breathe.
Balance is a
I use Serenity and balance too, but Serenity and breathe. And why do you pick these two together?
Well, because it's kind of, we have allergy issues in our house, and so we'll use breathe to help keep us open.
The respiratory stuff.
Yeah, the respiratory stuff, and it also helps with snoring. That's a big one.
It is.
And Serenity just is so relaxing.
It is. So breathe. So snoring. We just mentioned that word. I've even heard of people who their dogs snore. So we have to think about what is keeping us awake at night. So if it's your kids keeping you awake at night, guess what? You should be using lavender on the bottom of their feet, Serenity on the bottom of their feet, and you should be diffusing. So this is what we're talking about, these diffuser blends. So if kiddos are having trouble sleeping, also put a diffuser in their room as well. We want to take care of whatever that is that's distracting us. So I just mentioned the dog snoring. Have you heard of this? Put breathe on his paws, because usually they're going to sleep on their paws at night, or the tips of the ears, and it actually helps even with the pets to help them from snoring at night. Yeah, I know. Who knew, right? Okay. So another one, some people get anxious at night, and if it's anxiousness that's keeping you awake, we already mentioned using either bergamot or wild orange on the back of the neck, to keep those thoughts down. But another one is diffusing adaptive oil at night, or if I take adaptive, I choose to take adaptive during the day because that's usually the time that I'm going to have issues. But some people have anxiousness at night. So you may choose to use your adaptive capsules at night. They are fantastic for, and you were just saying that one of your loved ones is absolutely loves using adaptive. We're going to talk about this more on the emotions day. So, but my favorite combo at night, you guys, is my Serenity. I won't open it just yet. I take one Serenity and one copaiba about a half an hour before I go to bed. So you say you sleep pretty good, right?
I do.
Yeah. I don't have that same track record. So for me, the Serenity gel caps have really been a godsend. It's not the same as the Serenity oil. Serenity gel caps have something in it called L-theanine, and L-theanine is a natural amino acid that increases your own melatonin in your system. So if you are taking a melatonin from an outside source, you really don't want to do that, because what that does is it sends a signal to your body that you don't need to make your own melatonin, and we do. Okay, so we want to help get those circadian rhythms back into our body. So a circadian rhythm works with your serotonin in the body and the melatonin in the body to increase your sleep pattern, and then in the morning, your serotonin is going to wake you up. Okay, so you want your melatonin to go up at night and your melatonin to go down in the morning, your serotonin to come up. That's your feel-good hormone that's going to get you going through the day. Okay, so that's what we want to accomplish with using our supplements. This one, the copaiba, I use for relaxing, but also for pain at night. Also taking a magnesium supplement before you go to bed, because magnesium helps to calm the nerves and also helps to, develop that good circadian rhythm. Taking a hot bath before bed, because guess what? Your body cools down. And when your body cools down, that is a signal to release melatonin in the body. So use lavender in your bath. Just relax, right? And get some good sleep, because we are in a time when we really need to think about boosting the immune system. Your immune system goes into hyperdrive when you're in deep sleep. So this is another reason that we need to sleep well, so that we increase the immunity. Why is that important? Come on now. Whew.
Because it keeps your body going.
Right.
You need sleep.
You need sleep, and you need a good immune system, because we are now fighting unknown, forces that we don't even know in our world. And so good sleep is a very, very good part of having a good immune system and a good digestive system as well. So keep that in mind. Sleep is important. I am glad that you sleep so well.
I am too.
And I think your diffuser probably helps you out. So if you're not diffusing at night, start doing that. And I hope we gave you some good tips about some supplements that you can use for good sleep. All right, you guys take care. We'll see you a bit.